Okay, so we've removed some things from our rucksack. Now it is time to add something to our rucksack. So let's come up with scenario 4. In scenario 4, we're going to add to our rucksack, but it's not as simple as rucksack.add. Don't be lulled into false sense of security. Let's say if choice 4 equals A, we'll just eat the cake now. Let's say prim. Let's add a bit to our score. Score equals score plus 2. Let's say else. We're going to exit to our backtick. Rucksack.append cake. So we need to say we've added the cake for later. Brilliant. So let's just remind ourselves what our lives and score is, and also what's in our rucksack. So here we go. Lives score. Excellent. So let's run the game again. Oh, I have left out an equals. That's right. Double equals there. Cake, press A to eat the cake now, or B to put it in your rucksack for later. Well, I'm going to put it in my rucksack, so I'll say B. Here we go. My rucksack now contains not just a duck and a brush, but a duck and a brush and a cake. So I have added something to my rucksack there. Now you add something to your rucksack in your game that fits with your narrative.